Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Tipping for WooCommerce. Introduction for Tipping for WooCommerce. In this video, I will introduce you to the Tipping for WooCommerce plugin. Let's get started. This plugin lets customers add tips during checkout. Great for restaurants, services, or any store wanting extra revenue, or to support staff. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Tipping tab. In this dashboard, all of your tipping settings are managed. You can add a title, like Support Our Team, add a default tip amount, enable tipping title, enable taxable, and add tag classes like Standard, Reduced Rate, or Zero Rate. You can also enable tipping percentage buttons. You can add percentages for tipping, percentage display options, enable tipping feature. Now, in styling options, we have disable style sheet loading, body background color, title background color, title text color, button background color, and button text color. And that's it. In this video of Tipping for WooCommerce plugin, we have learned what this plugin does and how it works. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.